Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor and our series about what supplies you need to get started. We're going over paper projects, which primarily is cardstock, but go ahead and click on the link in the description so you can see what materials are compatible with your machine. So we're going to talk about it in terms of cardstock products. Your most common cardstock that you're going to be using and able to find is 65-pound cardstock. One of the brands I really like is Recollections. I buy it at Michael's. It works really nicely. You will need a scraper tool, a spatula, Cricut Pens, glue, tape, or other types of adhesives. And then as you do more paper projects, you might want to consider either the scoring stylus, which can be used in the Explore series as well as the Maker, or the Quickswap scoring wheel or double scoring wheel that are only for the Maker. Some of the other things you might want to add on later would be a paper cutter if you need to trim things down, additional mats, quilling tools if you want to do rolled flowers and other type of rolled paper. The foil transfer tool is very compatible with different types of papers. And you can check out what it's compatible with in the description as well. I've linked that below. Thanks for joining me today, and let me know in the comments what type of paper projects you enjoy doing the most. And until next time, bye.